Okay, so I just finished touring this house and I had so much fun actually. So there are some secrets here. I may have made a mistake or two, but that's, I think, what makes this such a fun tour to make and hopefully a fun tour for you to watch. This one is in Magallanes, Makati. And if you are looking forward to a house like this, make sure you finish the full house tour. Featuring a house and lot for sale, and this time it's in Magallanes, Makati. And as you can see, this facade is just gorgeous. You've got trees surrounding the property and in fact the entire village, and you don't really have a gate because again, very exclusive, very safe subdivision. Now that being said, here on the rightmost side you have a curving driveway leading down to the lower floor or the basement, and that will house 3 to 4 vehicles. And then you are on a rotunda, so you do have a little bit of space here for guest parking. And then this is your main pathway leading up to the main entrance. So you have some floating steps over here made of concrete, and then, oh hello, tumingin yung koi. And then you have a koi pond just under the main entrance podium or step. Landing rather. And then this is your main door. Solid wooden door with solid wooden jambs, and then glass framing it. This is what will welcome you. Okay, so you have open space amongst the living pag tumigil pala dun amongst the living areas. Okay, so you have a foyer over here that basically flows onto these different areas, such as your dining, living, kitchen, and just this receiving area in general. So let's go about this systematically and go clockwise. So next to your main receiving or open receiving area, you have this archway, and this one leads to the office. Oh, this is so cute. So the office is right next, again, to your main entrance. You have a view of your neighborhood, of your cul-de-sac over here. Actually, it's not a cul-de-sac, it's a rotunda talaga. And then you have shelves here for your books and what have you. And in the middle of your shelving, you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, lots of counter space, some storage underneath, open storage, and then your toilet and a partially enclosed shower space. And you still have high ceiling for this one. You also have an awning window and an exhaust for ventilation. And then the view from the office. No? So you can see your main stairs, which you initially couldn't see coming in from the main entrance. And then you see your living and your dining. But before that, let's check this one out. Sorry, correction, you can see your kitchen and your dining, but this is your living. And it's just one big open space that has access to glass sliding doors that lead out to a balcony at the back of the property. And then you have accordion glass panels here that lead to an enclosed area, which could be an extension of your living space, or as an enclosed room, it could be a theater room, or in this case, like a gym of sorts, or a recreational lounge if you want. The key thing about this particular room is that it has a lot of natural light, thanks to all of the windows. And these are also sliding glass doors with your built-in net. So it's up to you what you want to do with this space, but it's there. So pwede nyo dagdagan ng balcony if you want, or again, up to you. Okay, so let's head over to this area. So you have your dining space, and you can fit an 8-seater dining set comfortably. Again, basically the entire floor has lots and lots, or it has ample natural light thanks to all of the windows that you see. Then directly next to the dining area, you have your kitchen. You have a huge island counter with a bar on that side. And then on this side, you have your built-in sink, induction stove, and then storage underneath. And then on this side, you have basically more storage space. You have your refrigerator over here, your built-in oven and microwave, lots of storage, your built-in range over here. So magkaiba yan. This is induction, so electric siya, ito gas. And then on this side, you have your bigger sink right in front of the window. Then you have a nice coffee nook over here. Okay, then you also have access, so we're not gonna go through this anymore, but you have access to the back of the property, which will also act as your service area, although currently ngayon, daming personal items. So just imagine that that door will lead to the service area. Okay, so that's it for the main floor. Let's head down. Ganda no landing, may seating pa. Let's head down to the lower floor. Huh? What did I miss? Oh, I thought it was a rug. You have a wine cellar. Sick. Okay, so you have akala ko, dinaanan ko lang siya kanina kasi akala ko rug. Wow, what not wearing your glasses does, no? So you have a wooden spiral staircase leading down to the lower floor and onto your wine cellar. You can obviously open this. Ito lang ba yung daan papunta doon or pwede doon? Okay, so this is a preview of where we will be heading now. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here, especially in Makati, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. I'm excited. I want to see it. Oh, by the way, you have Nara stairs. Kinalimutan na yung stairs. So you have floating steps made of Nara wood. It's beautiful. And here you will end up the lower ground floor landing. So you have some storage over here. You also have storage under the stairs. A shelf. Wow, this shelf looks like a door, if I'm being honest. Pinto ba to? It is? Okay. But okay. So this is the wine cellar that we saw earlier. This is nice. Okay, so this is the spiral staircase leading up to the living area. And then, ayan, lahat nung storage for the wine, etc. But this also acts as a sort of den, as like a lounge for gaming, etc., entertainment, watching TV. And meron din siyang awning window. This is an awning window that lets in some natural light. But this basically has a cave-like feel to it na hindi naman enclosed masyado. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a partially enclosed shower space. The ceiling height is standard, kaya by no means does it feel like you're on a lower floor or in a basement. Kahit naman to oh. This is sort of standard, mas mataas na ng konti kasi dahil doon sa shape ng structure ng bahay mismo. Okay, so there is a door here on, like right next to the main stairs though. So if that's the cellar or the wine cellar, what's this? Ay, hello po! Sorry. So apparently this one leads to the carport here on the lower ground floor. So you do have a lot of storage. Hindi ko napapakita kasi nandun sila, may mga tao. But yeah, you can fit 2 vehicles dun sa carport mismo and then 1 or 2 other cars along the driveway itself. And then that's gonna lead back up to the front. Okay, so that is the lower floor. Let's now head up floor number 2, or second floor. Okay, so for the higher floors, you do have tempered glass naman, so you don't have to worry about that. Kasi, syempre, visually, parang walang-walang harang, di ba? Kasi nga, puro glass, tas sa baba, wala. But, in the higher floor, meron naman. Okay, so second floor landing. Oh, these are beautiful wooden floors. Okay, now, these kinds of floors, kayang-kaya naman yung mga ganitong klaseng sapatos. But, out of respect, because It is immaculate. I will take off my shoes. Okay, so your second floor landing leads to 3 doors. This clearly is the primary bedroom, no? So we're gonna go through these ones first. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-maintain ng floor eh, so hindi ako magsapatos. Okay, so here we have bedroom number 1. So this is a corner room and this one faces the front of the property. So may view ka of the rotunda. You have ample space for a full-size bed. Pwede rin naman queen actually kung okay lang sa inyo na medyo lalagpas ng konti dun sa windows. And then you have high ceiling, downlights, then you have your built-in wardrobe over here, right next to your ensuite toilet and bath. Ooh, that's a view. So you have your toilet right next to your window. Don't worry, meron namang may ano naman roll up, so you can just put that down if you were using the toilet. You have an awning window up there for ventilation, and you also do not have an exhaust. So yun talaga yung ventilation mo, yung awning window. You have your sink over here, some storage underneath, and then a partially enclosed shower space with a nook here. Tapos meron kang, ang tawag dito, mosaic tiles. Really pretty too. Okay. Technically, yung office dun sa main floor, pwede naman siyang gawing bedroom kung kailangan nyo. Pero kung hindi. It's just that that room has an ensuite, so convenient din siya maging bedroom. But for the purposes of this video, we're gonna count that as bedroom number 1 and this as bedroom number 2. So this is a much bigger room. This is at the back of the property and you can fit a queen-sized bed. Actually, king to, I think. Looks like a king-sized bed. So definitely much more space. You still have high ceiling, you have the downlights, still lots of natural light thanks to the windows. Then you have an ensuite toilet and bath over here. So you also have wardrobe storage inside the ensuite, more counter space, you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. And again, you have an awning window over there. Gotta go check what happened. And the last bedroom on this floor is the primary bedroom, which is right next to the main entrance. Actually, ito nabubuksan to. So if you need to fit bigger furniture in there, pwede naman. Because you do have much bigger furniture over here. So you can definitely fit a king-sized bed and a 3-seater, like two and a half to 3-seater sofa, depending on the kind of sofa. But this is a love seat, so 2-seater. For scale only, we have a mattress on this side, so that means you have a lot of space. You can have your office space over there, or like a desk space rather, not really office. And then another one here if you needed it. And then a chest of drawers over here. And then access to your ensuite toilet and bath, as well as walk-in closet. Okay, I love this. I love the layout because in the middle you have an island counter for your sinks. So your his and her sinks, some storage underneath. On the other side, you have a bathtub. And then across that, you have open shelving and drawers. And here, for this wall, you have a partially enclosed shower space in the middle. And then his and hers toilets. I love the fact that you also have his and hers toilets. With the automated, by the way. So it's a Japanese toilet. Okay, so that has been it. Before I do a recap for you, make sure you watch these really nice B-rolls. Okay, so you have 301 square meters of lot area and then 450 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, basically 3 on the second floor and then 1 here on the ground floor if you needed it to be. 5 toilet and bath and then a 3 to 4 vehicle carport. And again, through that driveway going down to the lower floor. You have a den here on the main floor next to your living area. So pwede siyang extension ng living area or closed off as a theater, gym, what have you. You have open space planning for your dining, your kitchen, basically seen right from your main entrance. And then you have a service area on the lower floor na hindi na natin tinignan kanina dun sa tour. And you have lots of vertical and open space for all floors, essentially. And again, this is in Magallanes, Makati. This is such a coveted address. And you have a beautiful home here. And if this is exactly the kind of place that you've been looking for, perfect for your family, send us a message, let us know, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. See more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,